Our lesson is talking about the product and quotient rule. We said, how can we find the derivative if there are two functions that are multiplied? Our rule was that if I have f times g, two functions that are multiplied, the derivative is first derivative times g plus the derivative of the second function times f. This is my rule, or this is the power rule that I have to use if I have two functions that are multiplied. Now, how can we solve this type of derivative? Like this one here that we stopped on it yesterday. Find ds over dt if s is 1 plus t times square root of t. Now, the first step here, I want you now to find, or to write, the function is s equal 1 plus t times square root of t. So, this is f and this is g. Here is f and here is g. I name f now. So since I say that f is 1 plus t, I need now to find f prime. If I have 1 plus t, f prime, it will be 1. So the first step here, I have to find f, or to know, or to determine which is f. Then I have to find which is f prime. Then I have to know also to say which is g, which is square root of t, or I can write as t raised to the power half. And also I then find g prime, which is half t to the power negative 1 over 2, which is 1 minus negative 1, 1 minus half, which is negative 1 over half. Now, half minus 1, which is negative 1 over half. Then I have to write it as 1 over 2 square root of t. So this is now my g prime. So if I have any functions that is multiplied, the first step, you have to see where's f, where's f prime, where is g prime, and where is g. After that, I bring my power rule, which is s prime. It has to be f prime g plus g prime f. Then, let's start now. F prime. Where's f prime? It is here. I bring this number and I put it down. Then, g, where's g? It's a square root of t. I bring it here now. So, it is 1 times square root of t plus g prime f. I bring now g prime, which is 1 over 2 square root of t times f. Where's f? It is 1 plus t. So now, this is my derivative. 1 times t is the square root of t plus 1 plus t over 2 square root of t. Here, you have a 1 plus t times 1 over 2 square root of t. I rearrange it, I simplify it, and this is the final answer. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
You can simplify it. Here, the denominator is 1, so I will multiply it by 2 square root of t by 2 square root of t. Then after that, Hello, why I told you this thing? Because sometimes if you have it as a multiple choice and you find your answer, sorry, is not from the choices, so you have to take action. Here is multiplied by 2 square root of t by 2 square root of t. Then after that, look here. Here now you have 2 square root of t times square root of t. Is it like 2 square root of t squared? Is it right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Square root of t, 2 square root of t times square root of t, it is 2 square root of t squared over 2 square root of t plus the second one, it is 1 over plus t over 2 square root of t. Then after that, square root cancel the squared. So it has to be 2t plus 1 plus t over 2 square root of t. Then 2t plus t is 3t. So I can say it's 3t plus 1 over 2 square root of t. This is the final answer if you want to continue and simplify it. So if you find this answer in a multiple choice, it is correct. And also if you find this one, it's correct too. Clear now? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Now, here now we have some examples from your book. Here now we have examples. I want to find f prime of x. Now, let's start with the first one. The first one here, f of x is x plus 1 times 2x minus 1. I want now to find f prime of x. The first step, as I told you, you have to name the functions. Since f here is written, so I need another letters. Let's see g and h. Then I will put g here, and I say g is x plus 1. And then I will put h here, which is 2x minus 1. Then, after that, I need now to find g prime. G prime, what is the derivative of x?
1.
1 plus 0. So, g prime here now is 1. H is 2x minus 1. So, h prime, it has to be 2. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes.
So, after prime now, it has to be g prime h plus h prime g. The first derivative times h plus the second derivative times the first function. Now, where is g prime? It is 1. Just evaluate now. Where is h? It is 2x minus 1 plus. Where is h prime? It is 2. And where is g? It is x plus 1. Is it clear now? Until here, is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Then 1 times this function is have to be 2x minus 1 plus, let's now distribute 2 on x and 1. It has to be 2x plus 2. Then after that, 2x plus 2x is 4x, minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. So this is the derivation of this function. It's 4x plus 1. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now let's do number 2 now. Number 2 here, f of x is 3x squared minus 1 times x squared plus 2. The first step here now, I have to name this one with h and this one with g. So h is 3x squared minus 1. G is x squared plus 2. So this is h and this is g. Now, h prime is 3 times x squared, which is n x raised to the power n minus 1, which is 1. So h prime is it's now 6x. This is the value of h prime. Now g prime here, it is 2x raised to the power 2 minus 1 plus 0, which is 2x. Is it clear now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Now, my formula is f prime of x is f prime g plus g prime f. F prime, sorry. Where's the eraser here? F prime now of x is h prime g plus g prime h. Now h prime is at 6x and g, where is g? It is x squared plus 2 plus, where is g prime? It is 2x, and where is h? It is 3x squared minus 1. Is it clear?
Yes.
Then
Yes,
let's
teacher.
distribute the functions. 6x times x squared, it is 6x cubic plus 12x plus 2 times 3 is 6, x cubic 2, minus 2x minus 1 is 2x. I multiplied now 2x with each term. And 6x times x squared is 6x cubic, and 6x times 2, it is 12x. After that, let's now simplify it. 6x cubic plus 6x cubic, it is 12x cubic. And 12x minus 2x, it is plus 10x. So this is now the derivative of the second one. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Do you have any question?
No, teacher.
No.
Let's now find number 3. Or number 4. Keep it 4 now. In number 4 here now, f of x is x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. I want now to find out to determine that this is h and this is g. So h now is x plus 1. So h prime it will be, if h is x plus 1, h prime
1.
1. Thank you. Now g, it is x squared minus x plus 1. So g prime
2x minus
2x minus 1.
Thank you. 2x minus 1. So f prime of x now is h prime g plus g prime h. Then, where is h prime? It is here, 1 times. Where is g? It is here.
X squared minus
X plus
x plus 1.
plus. Now, where is g prime?
2x minus 1.
Is it 2x minus 1? And where is h? It's x plus 1. Then, let's now simplify it. X squared minus x plus 1, keep it as x squared minus x plus 1 plus. Then I want you now to multiply these two functions with each other. Let's start with 2x now. Now 2x times x is 2x squared. Then 2x times positive 1 is 2x minus. Then I want to multiply in minus. Minus 1 times x is minus x, and minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. Then it is x squared minus x plus 1 plus 2x squared. 2x minus x is x minus 1. Then let's simplify it now. 1 will cancel 1 each other. This one and this one cancel each other. So you have only 3x squared, which is the addition of x squared plus 2x squared. Is it clear now?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Miss, can we solve another one, please?
Ah, yes, I will have. Here, yes, we have also another 4 problems. Now, let's do now number 5. Or, no, 5, it's easy. Number 6. In number 6 here, f of x is 2 minus x minus 3x cubic times 7 plus x raised to the power 5. Let's name this one with A and B as an example. So if A now is 2 minus x minus 3x cubic, so A prime is, what is the derivation of 2?
0,
0 minus the derivation of x,
1.
1,
1. Don't forget the minus sign. Minus 3 times x cubic. What is the derivation of it?
3x to the power 2.
Thank you, 3x squared. So it is negative 1 minus 9x squared. This is now A prime. Now I have to find B, or after I say that B is this function, I have to find B prime. Now B is 7 plus x raised to the power 5. So B prime is 0
7 is
plus 5x raised to the power
5x to the power of 4.
The power of 4, thank you. After that now, f prime is A prime B plus B prime A. Where is A prime? It is this one. Negative 1 minus 9x squared times B. Where is B? It is 7 plus x to the power 5 plus B prime. Where's B prime? It is 5x to the power 4 times, where is A? It is 2 minus x minus 3x cubic. This will be the derivation. Is it clear now?
Yes, teacher.
The another. Mariam, Sima, Shahid,
Yes.
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 Shahid Yasser,
Yes, Miss. I understand.
Lulu, Dana.
Yes, teacher.
Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Now let's do number 7. Let's choose now Lulu, I want you to help me to solve 7. Yeah. And Sima, number 8. Yes, Lulu, number 7. Here you have f of x equal x cubic plus 7x squared minus 8 times 2x raised to the power negative 3 plus x raised to the power negative 4.
So first we will find the prime.
So yes, first you have to name this one with I as an example and h. Now I is
I prime.
x cubic plus 7x squared minus 8. What is I prime now?
3x squared
3x
plus 14x
Thank you. Minus 14x. This is I
plus
prime. Now, h is 2x negative 3 plus x raised to the power negative 4.
teacher
Yes?
plus 14x.
Ah, thank you. Plus 14x. This is now I prime. Now h prime is
Negative 6x squared negative 4
thank you.
plus negative minus 4x negative 5.
Thank you, Atidam. Thank you so much. This is now h prime. Now, after that,
النيجاتيف 2x negative 3
wait, it is y prime h plus h prime I. Hello, where's I prime? It is this one.
3x squared plus 14x
Thank you. Times
2x negative 3 plus 4x negative 4.
thank you. Plus the second one now.
Negative 6x
To the power negative 4 plus
negative 4x
to the power negative 5
negative 5.
times
3x x cubed.
oh, this is h prime. You have to choose I now. X cubed.
3x cubed plus 17x squared minus 8.
Thank you so much, Atida. Do you have any question now? Yes, grade 11. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, now Sima.
Yes.
Yes, I want you now to solve number 8.
Okay. First, 1 over x
Hello.
plus
F of x is 1 over x plus 1 over x squared times 3x cubic plus 27.
okay. 1 over x equals x to the power of half.
Yes, so let's now write here. I is 1 over x plus 1 over x squared. So you can write it as
X,
x raised to the power negative 1 plus x raised to the power negative 2. Is it right? Yeah. Now I want you to find y prime. I prime.
it is negative 1x minus to the power of minus 2
Thank you.
plus أو لا negative 2
Or
يعني
plus,
minus 2
okay. Plus minus 2.
okay. X to the power negative 3.
Thank you so much. This is for I prime. Then let's talk about h now. H is 3x cubic plus 27. So h prime is
9x to the power of 2.
thank you. Plus 0. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sima. Yeah, let's continue now. So f prime of x is
Negative 1x power negative 2 plus negative 2x to the power of negative
this is y prime h plus h prime I. Now where's I prime? It is negative x to the power negative 2 minus 2x raised to the power negative 3 times, where is h?
3x cubed plus 27
Plus, where is h prime?
x minus 1 to the power of minus 1
H prime, this one.
plus
Nine
x to
x
the power of
h prime.
prime first. Okay.
Times I, where's I? Which is one.
X to the power of negative 1.
Oh,
Okay.
this one. Thank you so much, Sima. Now, do you have any question?
No, miss, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Teacher, thank you.
Now I will stop here now. Tomorrow we will start with the quotient rule. Quotient rule, that if you have two functions that is divided, how we find the derivative. Thank you so much thank you for listening.